In this video, we're going to show you how to replace a spark plug wire on your Chevy 2500. This is going to be located on the motor. Let's get started. We're going to remove the spark plug wire from our ignition coil, pull straight back. Go down to the bottom. We're going to grab this coil and we're going to pull straight back and remove the wire. Install the new wire into place. Push it over your spark plug. Push until you hear a click. Give it a pull back. Make sure it's locked on. We're going to pull our wire up behind our dipstick tube. Install it into our coil. You should hear a click when it's fully seated. If not, give it a pull, make sure it's locked on, and you're good to go. Repeat this process for any other wire you do.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.